Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp has stopped problem or WhatsApp not working problem in WhatsApp application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in WhatsApp application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search WhatsApp application. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. You make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your WhatsApp application. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp has stopped problem or WhatsApp not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.